1, boom. Hey, small gamers, it's me again. Sorry, I know it's been a while, but I'm here with a special guest today. Sharkfang21. Like, oh my god. He's been in our other videos and he is like so dope. He is like ridiculous.
Yeah, I am. And today we're playing White Noise, which is a scary game. And I don't go well with scary games.
And because he's a pussy.
Yeah, basically. So let's get right into it.
You'll lose your pubes.
Probably. Alright, here we go, guys. Now, I have no background of this game. I'm going in blindly.
Yeah, so, I hope he fucking dies.
I probably will. I'm gonna try to read the story to you guys.
Press X. Press X. Okay, there you go. Yep, there you go. Oh, yep.
Yes! Let's do this.
Each one has.
Wait, look, it's from that one girl.
From it.
Only because it looks like Filma. Oh my god, dude. This is the best. Like a little chicken coolest. Oh, it's just like Slenderman.
I've played this before. Oh, pretend one over here. Give me this one. Oh, you'll need it.
No,
I need to pee on it.
I'm also a rich.
We're just playing.
We're just playing some people. Oh no, I want to play it. It was fun, but I also was
It's funny watching this.
Yeah.
Like your paperboard. When you find it, it's A. Yeah, it's A. It's somewhere in that room. Yeah, go into jails. Yeah, no, you got it. Once you find the first tape recorder, the monster will start fighting. No, it's it. It's just.
Alright.
It's somewhere one of these cells, obviously. Oh, yeah, it's in this one. Yeah, there it is. Someone screams. Okay, you get tired of mine, by the way. No, you picked Velma, so she's not very good at saying that. She got this -1 save.
Depending on how long this goes, we'll probably do another run, but it just depends on how good I am at this game.
Shit.
I'm gonna
Mountain Dew just calmed off. I'm drinking straight out to your You saw nothing at you pussy.
Okay. It will.
Fuck my Mountain Dew just in case it gets shaky. Oh, dude, don't run already. You want to waste the stamina. It takes a while to do it. Fuck up. Hey, you need to go in there.
I see a dark staring room. Yeah. That looks like it would be a good place to go. Oh, I
you're on nightmare mode and the fucking shit hasn't even appeared yet. It's whispered in your ear, but it hasn't done jack shit yet.
It scared me or something.
You probably gotta find the second one of these real kids.
Oh, there's a camera. Probably.
Camera doesn't mean jack shit. It's like you're going to the banks. I think you just went to the banks.
I don't. I've got to run.
Let's get real back. Turn around a lot. I bet that helps.
Help!
Every kid is sleeping. You better start.
That's not you! Wait, here's something.
That's not a take. Oh, there it is, right there. As I say this, I'm like, that's not
What the hell is that? What the hell is that?
You know you can see that. Oh, you're playing my flickering on me.
I know that's what I'm saying.
That means your battery's dying. I press X so but the marks comes faster. Yeah. I think that brings it faster. Here's where they go.
That's all the shit I was talking about. I was like, you.
Oh my god, dude, you can't get there.
It came
I think it's weird.
in.
What's that? I don't think that's a good thing.
That's some shit. I want to do that here too.
It was just straight through it.
Wait, that's me.
And I just heard it.
That's me. I didn't mean it. Hey, listen. Oh, I know that. scary, but it has some like stuff you can't see. It's all dark, static. Then you got all these moving lights. And you got giant doors and wow, it's easy. That's looks like we're on a subway right now. That is really good. I love being in subway.
This room stinks like a dog. Not even shit. Says it's not even in here.
Turn back around.
I feel so much better. Did I miss anything? I wouldn't go in there, because what if he's right behind me? See, it's a trap.
Oh!
You're fucked, you're fucked. Wait till you're right. Oh my god, it's happy. Oh my god. That's it. It's going and it won't even like open up this
I'm taking away. Okay. Let's go.
I don't care, Tanner. Go away.
Almost.
There you go.
Okay, this is actually starting to get really intense. I'm going to be like, are you kidding me?
Stop looking off the screen, motherfucker. This is a kid fucking friendly. You can't, you fucking bitch. Fuck that. Come on, man. You're short. Like one of the tires got shaken and charged. It's like he was right there. I love it so now.
This is freaking scary, guys. Okay, I took that. Okay, it's 9 out of 10. Out of 6, 7.
Oh, you gave her 8 miles away.
Okay.
I wonder if they can hear me.
Oh, yeah, I can't see it.
It does not want it. You already got one. I wouldn't go back. You're actually. Okay, head right way. No. Oh my god. That's awesome. It's like this. I'm watching on the computer screen now. 3-second delay. Shit, it doesn't tell me how long we've been recording. Oh, that's cool. Cool.
Should I go?
I think you should follow the ghost, but the ghost is also going right behind you. have never gotten bored ever.
Okay.
Just stop. She's right behind you. Just stop. Didn't we already get one?
Wait, ours is a bit. Yeah, because there's not. I'm pretty sure it's gonna pop up.
It did pop up. This wasn't an Xbox thing. I have mine.
I'm going. The arrow points this way. This music is.
I think that was an instant. Right in there. Oh, yeah. I guess you're
Leave me alone! Oh my god. Oh.
It's like,
I think that's a dead end.
no, it's not. Don't say that. Remember last time? Flip off the screen. I saw something. Next time I think that was going to pop up, I would shoot here. Just you're asking one. It's two.
Never been.
Oh my god.
17 minutes?
Oh my god. You should have
I'm Sharkfang21. This is so awkward.
two screens. Yeah, Marvin. See, you guys to see Marvin. It's like you're weird. Like, oh, it's cool.
This is so good.
That's the first time we're in this.
Second. That's it actually ran into it again.
Oh, this was the one where we had trouble. Yep, there.
Ran out. Got him again. Got him. So that's the fourth one to be back next. There's a second scene. Let me first. So we'll have one more screen.
I love that.
That was the best.
Oh my
Should we
god.
get it? Like next season.
Yeah.
Alright, that was super cool. One, guys, hope you enjoyed. Peace out.